Here is an updated solution regarding GIFs or GIF stickers not loading on Instagram when adding to a story or sending as a DM. This solution works perfectly for Android, but if you're an iOS user and it doesn't work for you, watch the video to the end as I'll provide an alternative workaround. To begin, open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu at the top right corner to open Settings. Under Settings, select Account Center. Then scroll down to Account Settings. From there, choose your information and permissions. Then select Manage Cookies. Under that, scroll to Optional Cookies. And from there, toggle on cookies on other apps and websites. After that, scroll down and toggle on cookies from other companies. Once you've done that, you close the app and then reopen it. Navigate to your story or DM where you want to add the GIF, and when you open the GIF option, you should be able to see all the GIFs loaded. If this doesn't work for you, check out this other video and don't forget to subscribe, share and leave a comment.